Ready to make your home feel 10 times more comfortable? These Amazon home finds are designed to upgrade your space, boost relaxation, and make everyday living feel effortless. From cozy essentials to smart upgrades, everything here works quietly in the background to make your home better. Check the links in the description to explore them all. This is the kind of sofa you sink into and never want to leave. With its cloud-like shape and soft sponge filling, it wraps you in comfort the moment you sit down. The wide, curved design gives you plenty of space to stretch out or relax with someone beside you. Its clean, modern look instantly upgrades your living room without trying too hard. No assembly needed, just place it down and enjoy your new favorite spot. Cleaning just got a serious upgrade. This cordless handheld vacuum gives you powerful suction in a compact design that tackles dirt wherever it hides. The foldable body adjusts to different angles, so you can easily reach tight corners, car seats, and under furniture. With up to 35 minutes of runtime, you can clean without constantly stopping to recharge. A smart LED display keeps you updated, while one-click dust emptying lets you clean up without getting your hands dirty. Your pool can clean itself while you do absolutely nothing. This smart robotic cleaner moves through the water with powerful suction that lifts dirt, leaves, and even fine debris with ease. It uses intelligent navigation to map out your pool, so no spot gets missed. With hours of runtime, it handles the floor, walls, and water line in one go. A touchscreen and app control let you set everything up, and when it's done, it parks itself for easy pickup. Cooking just got smarter and way easier. This AI-powered Airfryer handles your meals with top and bottom heating, so everything cooks evenly without constant flipping. Just snap a photo of your food, and it suggests the perfect settings, taking the guesswork out completely. The flat design gives you more room to cook things like pizza, wings, or steaks all at once. It even cleans itself and runs quietly, so you can enjoy great food without the usual mess or noise. Your desk just got a serious upgrade. This 3-in-1 fan cools you down, cleans the air, and adds a soft glow all at once. With built-in filtration, it helps remove dust from the air while keeping a steady breeze flowing your way. You can adjust the speed exactly how you like it, and even set it to rotate for wider coverage. The rechargeable battery keeps it running without cables, making it perfect for work, gaming, or relaxing anywhere. Watering your garden just got a whole lot easier. This retractable hose reel gives you smooth, tangle-free watering without drilling anything into your walls. Just place the spike in the ground, and you're ready to go in minutes. The hose pulls out to the length you need and neatly rolls itself back with a gentle tug. With full 360-degree rotation, you can reach every corner without dragging or twisting. Carrying heavy stuff just became effortless. This folding utility wagon opens up in seconds and instantly gives you a strong, reliable cart for all your gear. Whether you're heading to the park, beach, or even just moving things around the house, it saves your back from the strain. The sturdy frame can handle heavy loads while still rolling smoothly over different surfaces. When you're done, it folds down flat and fits neatly into storage without taking up space. Playtime just got a whole lot easier for you and way more exciting for your dog. This automatic ball launcher keeps the fun going without you ever needing to throw a ball again. It shoots balls different distances, so you can use it in a backyard or a big open space. A smart safety sensor helps stop launches if someone is too close, keeping playtime safe and controlled. With multiple modes and long battery life, your dog can run, fetch, and stay active for hours, while you just sit back and watch. This is not just a speaker, it's a full outdoor vibe machine. It plays your music in rich stereo sound while lighting up your space with a glowing lantern-style effect. You can set it on the ground, hang it up, or carry it anywhere for instant atmosphere. The lights even move with your music, making every beat feel more alive. And since it's waterproof and wireless, you can take it to the beach, patio, or campsite without worrying about a thing. Cleaning stubborn dirt just went from hard work to satisfying fun. This electric pressure washer blasts away grime from your car, driveway, or patio in seconds with powerful water pressure. You can switch between different spray tips, so you always get the right force for the job. One setting gives you a strong, focused jet for tough stains, while another spreads water gently for delicate surfaces. It also has built-in detergent tanks, so you can wash and foam at the same time for a deeper clean. Wake up your skin routine with a tool that feels more like a mini spa than a cleanser. This smart silicone face cleansing brush gently removes oil, sweat, and leftover makeup in just a minute. You can choose from multiple intensity levels, so you get a soft clean for sensitive days or a deeper cleanse when you need it. It also doubles as a firming facial massager, helping your skin feel tighter and more refreshed over time. The ultra-hygienic silicone design resists buildup and helps your skincare absorb better, so your products actually work harder for you. Say goodbye to wrinkled clothes ruining your look when you're on the go. This portable 2-in-1 garment steamer works like both an iron and a steamer, so you can quickly smooth out outfits anywhere you are. It heats up in just 15 seconds, meaning you're ready to fix your clothes almost instantly. With 5 adjustable steam levels, you can choose light refreshes or strong wrinkle removal depending on the fabric. The large ceramic panel glides easily over clothes, helping you get crisp, clean results without needing a bulky ironing board. Imagine waking up and having cafe-quality coffee made for you with just a tap. This fully automatic espresso machine takes your coffee beans and turns them into rich, fresh drinks in seconds. You can choose from multiple coffee styles like espresso, cappuccino, or latte, so every mood gets its perfect cup. The built-in ceramic grinder keeps flavors fresh and consistent while staying quiet and long-lasting. And the simple touch display makes everything effortless, so you get barista-level coffee without leaving your kitchen. Turn your tired feet into a full spa experience without ever leaving your home. This electric foot spa uses rotating massage balls to target pressure points and melt away daily stress. You can choose different massage modes, so you get either a steady soothing feel or a more active, deep kneading effect. It also lets you control the water temperature, keeping it perfectly warm while you relax. With bubbles, timers, and even a remote control, you just sit back and let it do all the work for you. Step into a full spa experience that you can set up almost anywhere. This portable outdoor sauna turns your backyard or camping spot into a high-heat relaxation zone in minutes. It heats up fast, reaching intense temperatures that help your muscles relax and your body recover after a long day. You can use it with a wood-fired stove setup for that authentic sauna feel, just like a traditional spa. Despite its size, it's designed to be easy to assemble and pack away, so you can bring a luxury wellness experience wherever you go. Imagine carrying a full deep tissue massage in your hands wherever you go. This cordless neck and back massager uses rotating kneading nodes to target tight muscles and melt away daily tension. You can wrap it around your neck, shoulders, back, or even legs for instant relief exactly where you need it. The built-in heat adds an extra layer of comfort by helping muscles loosen up faster. With adjustable intensity and rechargeable power, You get a personalized massage anytime without being tied to a wall. Turn your garden into a living, moving centerpiece with almost zero effort. This solar-powered fountain starts working in just seconds as soon as sunlight hits it, creating a gentle water spray that brings your outdoor space to life. You don't need batteries or wiring, so you just place it in water and let the sun do the work. It comes with multiple spray nozzles, so you can switch between soft bubbles or taller fountain effects depending on your style. Imagine a lock that knows you and opens in a split second. This heavy-duty smart padlock unlocks instantly with your fingerprint, so you don't need to fumble with keys anymore. You also get app control, letting you unlock it from your phone or share access with others when needed. Built from tough metal with a reinforced shackle, it's designed to resist cutting, prying, and harsh outdoor conditions. With waterproof protection and activity tracking, you always stay in control of who comes and goes. Cleaning windows just got a serious upgrade, and you don't even have to touch the glass. This smart window cleaning robot sticks onto smooth surfaces and moves around on its own, scrubbing away dirt and grime while you relax. It sprays water automatically as it moves, helping it clean evenly without streaks or missed spots. Strong suction keeps it firmly attached, even on higher windows, so you don't have to risk ladders or effort. With smart navigation and safety sensors, you just press a button and let it do the dirty work for you. Beat the heat without even reaching for a switch. This wearable neck fan gives you instant cooling that follows you wherever you go. With a powerful high-speed motor, it pushes out strong airflow that you can adjust to your exact comfort level. You get up to 16 hours of runtime, so it keeps you cool through long days outside, travel, or work. The smart LED display shows your speed and battery in real time, making it super easy to control without guessing. Make your home feel safer instantly without touching a single switch. This motion sensor floodlight turns on automatically the moment it detects movement, lighting up your space in seconds. It uses a wide sensing angle, so it can catch activity from far away and react fast. The bright LED output gives you strong visibility while still keeping a warm, comfortable glow outside your home. Built to handle rain, dust, and harsh weather, it keeps working reliably, so you always feel more secure at night. Ever wish you could wrap your feet in a warm blanket that actually heats up? This electric heated foot warmer does exactly that, turning cold, tired feet into instant comfort in just minutes. It warms up quickly and gently surrounds your entire foot, helping you feel relaxed even on the coldest days. You can choose from multiple heat levels, so you always get the perfect warmth for your comfort. With built-in timers and auto shutoff, you just plug it in, get cozy, and let it take care of the rest while you relax. This isn't just a chair, it's like having a personal massage studio in your home. This full-body massage recliner uses deep 4D massage technology to mimic real human hands, working through tight muscles from your neck all the way down to your legs. You can choose from multiple auto programs, so every session feels different depending on your mood or pain level. It even stretches your body in a gentle yoga-like position that helps release pressure from your spine. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.